Hello everyone, welcome back to Journal Outfit. I am Zainab Altaf, and today in this video I'm going to announce the results. I told you that I've started an event from which I told you to comment down in the videos and so that you can participate in the video. I told you that only non-MEID GSM users can participate here. You can see this was the video and everybody has commented here. And I also told you that this is on merit, completely honestly. I have done this event and I've got all of the results, and today I'm going to share with you the result. I'm going to do all in the front of you, and it is all free, completely free, very easy and on merit. So I told you that I've got a website which is Comment Picker, and I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the link of my video and I'm going to paste it over on the website to know who is the winner. So first I'm going to paste it here, the link. I'm finger crossed, I'm so excited for it. So I'm going to click on filter duplicate user, so that if there are twice you have commented twice or thrice, so that it can be cancelled out, as I told you that you have to comment only once. So now I'm going to click get YouTube comments. So let's click on here. I'm so excited for it. Let's see who wins it. And now you can see it is telling us that there are 72 comments. And now I'm going to click on start. So let's click on start and let's see what happens. So you can see that this is a MEID device user. So as I told you, only non-MEID device can participate. So we are going to choose another winner. So let's see what happens. Oh, again, this is a scammer. I told you that scammers are not allowed. So again, I'm going to pick another winner. And let's click on it. So it was a scammer. Oh yeah, here, congratulations Hassan Chaudhry. This is the guy who has won this giveaway, GSM iPhone X. This guy is having iPhone X GSM and he has commented on my video. He has won this giveaway. Congratulations to you, mister. You have won this giveaway. I'm so happy for you. Everybody's so happy. I hope that. So you can see this is the guy who has won this event. Finally, we got the result, and this is the only guy who won this event. His name is Hassan Chaudhry, and he has iPhone X. So if you are listening to me, Hassan Chaudhry, then please comment down your WhatsApp number in the comment box so that we can contact and we can move this procedure more ahead. So you can see this was the video, and here this mister has commented on my video, and which is he has wrote here GSM iPhone X. He has iPhone X, and we are completely going to unlock your iPhone along with your SIM, and this is his account on the YouTube. I hope that you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'm waiting for your reply, Hassan Chaudhry. Do comment and share your WhatsApp number.